In the glittering North Pole, where snowflakes danced like tiny ballerinas and candy cane winds hummed soft tunes, there existed a magical team known as Santa's Sparkle Squad. All members wore shimmering silver and teal outfits, colours that symbolised joy and gratitude. Their capes glowed brighter whenever someone said thank you somewhere in the world. The youngest helpers were two brave girls, Leela, curious, thoughtful, with bright eyes full of wonder. Maren, energetic, fearless, and always ready for adventure. When they walked, their teal boots sparkled. When they laughed, their silver hoods jingled. They were best friends and the perfect duo. The night everything dimmed. One evening, the North Pole lights flickered strangely. The giant gratitude globe, a glowing ball that collected thankfulness from all over the world, had begun to dim. The snow around it lost its sparkle, and the Christmas sky turned unusually dull. Santa hurried out of his workshop, his boots crunching on the icy ground. "Ho, ho, oh dear," he murmured. "If the gratitude globe fades too much, the world will forget how to appreciate the little things." Mrs. Claus frowned. "We must remind children how to be thankful." Santa turned toward the Sparkle Squad gathered around the globe. His eyes rested on Lila and Maren. "You two," he said warmly, "have hearts that shine brightly. Lead the mission to restore gratitude." Their outfits glowed instantly, accepting the challenge. A mission across the skies. Lila, Maren, and three other squad members hopped onto snow gliders, sleek silver boards that flew through the sky trailing teal sparkles. With them were Tina, could make anything glow. Bria could hear children's wishes. Sky, the fastest flyer in the North Pole. They soared above towns and cities, searching for places where gratitude had gone missing. The gratitude compass pointed toward a tiny neighborhood where small troubles had big feelings. "Let's spread some sparkle," Maren said confidently. First stop, Sophie's kitchen. Through a frosted window, they saw a girl named Sophie pouting at her cup of hot chocolate. "It's not sweet enough," she complained. Her mum sighed, wiping her tired hands on her apron. Lila whispered, "She doesn't realize her mum made it with love." They floated inside gently. Sparkle Squad helpers are invisible to adults. Maren rang her gratitude bell, filling the room with a warm cocoa scent. Suddenly, Sophie blinked. "Thanks, Mum. I know you made this for me." Her mum smiled and hugged her. A burst of golden sparkles shot upwards. The gratitude globe brightened a little. Second stop, Amara's creative crash. Next, the compass pointed to a girl named Amara, surrounded by glitter, paper, and paint. She stomped her foot. "My Christmas card looks ugly. I give up." Sky zoomed around her, making a swirl of teal sparkles. Amara froze, then giggled softly. "I guess I'm lucky to have all these cool colors, and I can try again." Her smile widened as she dipped her brush into glittery paint. Another spark shot into the sky. Third stop, Zara and Mia's toy troubles. In another home, sisters Zara and Mia tugged at a fuzzy pink unicorn. "It's mine. I had it first." Bria sighed. "Sharing problem." Maren shook her gratitude bell again, this time sending a wave of soft music through the room. Zara blinked. "I'm grateful to have a sister to play with." Mia nodded. "And we can take turns." The unicorn slipped into both their arms as they laughed together. A huge burst of gratitude sparkles whooshed up like fireworks. More houses, more heart. The Sparkle Squad visited more homes as the night went on. A boy who forgot to thank his dad for fixing his bike. A girl who complained about dinner, not knowing her grandma cooked for hours. A toddler upset about bedtime, forgetting her soft blanket and warm room. A group of friends arguing, forgetting how lucky they were to have each other. Each time the gratitude bell chimed, hearts softened, smiles returned, and sparkles rose into the sky. The gratitude globe grew brighter and brighter, but still not enough. "There's one more house," Bria whispered, "a very important one." Final stop, the girl who felt forgotten. In a small room, a girl named Ariella sat hugging her knees. "My friends didn't choose me today," she said softly. "I feel invisible." Her sadness tugged at the Sparkle Squad's hearts. Lila stepped forward. "She needs to feel seen and grateful for who she is." Tina made her mirror glow softly. Ariella looked up and gasped, seeing her reflection surrounded by silver and teal sparkles. She whispered, "I guess. I'm grateful for me. I'm special even on days that feel lonely." A huge, beautiful burst of sparkles, bigger than all before, rushed toward the sky. The gratitude globe blazed with brilliant silver light. Mission accomplished. Back at the North Pole, Santa and Mrs. Claus shielded their eyes as the globe shone brighter than ever. "Hoo, ho, ho, you did it!" Santa laughed joyfully. "Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.